Product development at ANSYS is a customer-centered process. The customer tends to drive in a very significant way our overall strategy.
But as products and processes have gotten more and more complex, so have the customer needs to model these phenomena.
We have more CFD experts and more application experts than any other organization the world over.
ANSYS has been a market leader for a very, very long time. Between Fluent, CFX, and other ANSYS codes, we have a wide range of models that can cater to the customer needs.
We put our customer right in the middle of driving everything that we do in product planning. The product development process involves this role called a proxy customer, and the proxy customer is basically mapped to all these requirements that came from the customer. So his or her role in the development process is to ensure that the voice of the customer is continually present.
That helps us understand their problems, helps us understand their needs, helps us understand their workflow.
Meeting the customers through forums like advisory councils, one-on-one meetings at user conferences, and through our channels in customer support, sales, and consulting.
I walked into a nuclear safety conference recently. If you look at the papers that are presented on simulation, you will see that now, and I can say this with confidence, 95 to 98% of the papers are ANSYS simulations.
We are visiting customers, we are talking to them often on the phone.
And our internal research and development efforts, coupled with the collaborations that we have with thought leaders outside the company in academia and scientific organizations, are brought together to discover to ourselves what is possible.
ANSYS is totally committed to ensuring your product development success by delivering CFD tools that will meet your current as well as future CFD needs.
So with this balance of technology push, internal innovations, and what we understand to be our customer requirements, accomplishes the totality of product development.
Very often the need arises to be able to customize a lot of these models to suit a particular customer's needs. At ANSYS, we are committed to providing the best-in-class models for them.
Release 13 is enormously feature-rich when it comes to customer needs. It's a great example of how we use this customer-centered process in requirements gathering and the actual development. I can point to how major areas like fluid dynamics, structural mechanics, and electromagnetics, and hold my chin up and say that we delivered primarily to our customers' requirements in this release.